Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to allow recording in Google Meet. If you need to save your meetings for review, sharing, or documentation, we will guide you through the steps to enable recording the right way. Let's get started. On your Google Meet dashboard in Chrome, while you are in a call, if you want to record it, go to the lower right part of your screen. Here, you will see the icon with 9 dots. Click on Meeting Tools. From here, we can click Record if we are a premium user. Only premium users have access to this feature. Once we click Record, the call will start recording. When we are finished, simply end the call. There is a stop button to stop the recording. Now we know how to manage recording in Google Meet. Recording our meetings can help us stay organized and keep important discussions saved for later.